Finally. Thank you. Thank you. Hopefully all this connection is good. Quiet, boys. I got the kids. Anyways, what's up? What's up? It's your girl Sasha. Hashtag Miss Sasha Elaine. Coming to y'all live from San Antonio. Let me know where you guys are coming in from. My title, if it's there and didn't disappear. Unboxing. I got a bunch of boxes over this way with a bunch of goodies. So I just wanted to come live and share with you guys. Like I said, thanks for bearing with me. Happy Monday. Hope everybody is doing well. Since my shenanigans was crazy, let me just go ahead and jump right on in, show y'all what I got, and I won't keep y'all long. So I'm excited about this one. This is our keto proteins. It's one full serving of protein, and this is a new flavor birthday cake. I missed it the first go around, so I'm excited to have it now. Y'all, this one tastes so good. It tastes exactly like birthday cake. I've been doing shakes off and on for years. I've done shakes all kind of ways. I mean, with water, milk, almond milk, 2% milk. But this one, I did it with straight water. And y'all, it was bomb.com. Just water by itself. So I'm excited to crack this bad boy open and get going with this. I do have trials for anybody who's interested, looking for a new protein shake. This is also a meal replacement. It does have ketones in it, so you will be burning fat for fuel. And this one I'm excited to have back. Our newest goodie is this one. I did a poll a couple days ago. Where are my coffee people at? I drink coffee, but I try to just drink once a day. So I'm really excited. Again, this one is a protein as well, same as the birthday cake, but this one is cold brew coffee. So I'm excited to give this one a try. It's brand new. I've heard a lot of good things about it, and I can't wait to throw it in some ice. And I have a few cold coffees that hey, hush, y'all, these kids in these games. I have a few cold coffees that I'm excited to give these a try with. I think I picked up caramel, mocha, and a vanilla. So I plan on giving this a try with those. It smells good. Just already through the packet. So I got 2 boxes of these. Again, trials for everything that I'm going to show you guys. It is on my website. Depending on where you're coming in from, it's the link tree in the bio. Link tree in the bio. It will take you to my trial links. So got a bunch to share. If you guys are interested, again, jump in the link in the bio, my link tree in the bio, so y'all can get y'all's trials. So again, this is coffee. Anybody who's looking for that coffee with protein, that's also going to help with muscle gains, muscle recovery. Y'all know I'm in the gym like a mad woman, so I'm excited definitely to add these. Again, this is caramel cold brew. Heard a lot of good things about it. I also got these 2 bad boys on my smart ship. Hello. Thank you guys for all jumping on. Wave. If I click on everybody. Hey. Facebook, what's up? Hey, Nancy. Hey, Kathy. Hey, Charles. Thank you guys for jumping on. Holla. Thank you guys for jumping on. This one was part of my smart ship. Where did my paper go? Y'all. I also did a live about my smart ship a couple weeks ago. For having our smart ship on every 4th month, we get free product. But for every order that we get, we also earn Prove It points. So really quick, y'all, this kid is got the headphones in, so he probably can't even hear me. Boy. Anyways, these kids and this Fortnite and these video games and all the other shenanigans. Anyways, smart ship, we get points. We can use our points towards product, which was these 2 that I chose. And y'all, again, it's 0. I paid 0. I paid 0. So this is our regular keto net. This is the caffeine free. The box is white for the ones y'all who don't know, follow me. Our charged flavors are not white boxes. So caffeine free comes in these white boxes. This is my old school OG favorite, my original. What I got started out with, Maui Punch. Y'all, it tastes straight just like regular fruit punch. If y'all be seeing me in my stories, not caffeine free, I usually do in the evening because the charge is equivalent to like 1 cup of coffee. So caffeine free is in the evening. And that's the Maui Punch. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Just drop them in the comments. So yeah, Maui Punch, old school original, tastes just like fruit punch. This is the caffeine-free version, our keto nap. Puts your body in ketosis in 59 minutes or less. If you're looking for better energy, sleep, mood, muscle gains, fat loss, digestion, skin, all the betters, y'all, you need to try these. And this one is Maui Punch. This is our MCT 143. It also supports your ketosis, keto. These are, oh, Jesus. Try to get this open. Goodness, this little old box. Yo. Let me grab scissors. Oh, wait, no, I got it. So this is our MC3 143. It's our coconut oil. It's like a massage for your brain. Promotes brain health. I'm about to show y'all these packets if I can get it open. You can cook with it. I usually cook with it. You can just take it ready to go in our little shot packets. And again, MC3 143. It promotes brain health. I thought I had another box of goodies, but this is, I can't find my other box. So anyways, again, the keto nap Maui Punch. Y'all go to the link tree in the bio to grab y'all trials. MC3 143. Again, all of this is on my link tree for those who want to give it a try. I'm excited for this one. I'll probably go live, taste test, and then birthday cake. I finally got it. So yes, all these are available on my link tree in the bio if you want to give any of these a try. For all my peoples everywhere, making sure, again, the keto cold brew, coffee, MCT 143, and the regular keto nap. So again, if you're looking for better energy, mood, sleep, fat loss, muscle gains, better skin, better digestion, hit the link in the bio, grab your child, message me if you have any questions, and I'm here to help you guys get started. So thank you all for jumping on. Happy Monday. We'll talk to you guys later. Bye.